Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And, of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang timeless money career reading for you. Pwede kayong mag-resonate dito sa past, sa present, at sa future. Ayan, so panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Okay. Aries, let's see ano yung energies ng inyong kaperahan. Kaperahan muna. So, this is your recent past. Ooh. Nako, parang may ng 11 sa inyo. Merong nag-take advantage sa inyo pagdating sa pera or sa resources ninyo. Recent past. Or you feel like parang unfair or hindi mo nakukuha yung dine-deserve mo. So, this is your current energy. Wow, 9 of Pentacles. Bumawi ka naman talaga. So, for you, Aries, things are doing well, no? Pagdating sa finances mo, yung mga needs mo, nakukuha mo. And I think, mas natuto ka na dun sa past experience mo. Kasi lalo na kung merong nang scam sa'yo, or merong nag-take advantage ng kahinaan mo pagdating sa pera. So, your immediate future. 8 of Swords. This is limitation. Maaring meron kang mga gusto pang i-explore when it comes to anything related sa finances mo. Pwedeng investment, pero natatakot ka. But if you can see the picture here, meron siyang wings. And then yung cage naka-open naman. So, meron kang kakayanan na, umalis sa situation na limitado ka. You can free yourself from this overthinking. Kasi maaring merong opportunity for you to invest or start a business. So, pagdating naman sa career, recent past career ng mga Aries. Page of Cups. Meron kang mga dreams or you may be maaring na-involve ka sa sa isang project sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. And parang mas nag-dwell ka sa bahala na. Alam mo yun, bahala na si Batman. Yung recent past mo. So, let's see your current energy. Okay, wait lang, nalaglag. Your current energy is the Queen of Pentacles. I love this. So, mukhang maganda yung talaga ngayon, finances ninyo, Aries. Even sa career nyo, you have the Queen of Pentacles. So, maaring merong leadership role sa inyo, sa career. Maari ring, kung ikaw ay self-employed, no? Maganda yung takbo ng iyong career, no? Yung trabaho mo, ng business mo, kung ano man yung pinoprovide mo or ina-offer mo sa mga clients mo. Can be products or services. You're abundant. Tignan natin yung near future. Nine of Swords. Okay. Alam nyo, Aries, in the near future, maaring merong magpapastress sa inyo, no? Pagdating sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, sa finances ninyo. I think iwasan nyo na lang yung pag-overthink. Kasi, syempre, no, lalo na kung future pa siya, it will just cause anxiety. Pwede kasi itong, parang na-excite ka sa isang bagay na gusto mong gawin, pero there's like limitation. Kahit na excited ka, kasi maaring may blockages pa, or may humahadlang pa sa'yo. But at this moment, it seems na yung resources na kailangan mo, provided sa'yo. I think this is a new opportunity na gusto mong pasukin in the near future, na you feel na parang may limitations ka pa. So, anong advice sa mga Aries? Page of Pentacles, oh my God, ang ganda nito as an advice. Kasi, Page of Pentacles is about learning. This is an energy of someone na open to new ideas and putting it to action and pagtatanim. So, kung sa tingin mo may limitations ka, ano ba yung limitations mo? Unang-una, alamin mo kung ano yung limitations mo. Pangalawa, ano yung action na dapat mong gawin para mawala yung limitations na yun? So, halimbawa, kulang ka sa knowledge, sa kaalaman. So, kung ang tingin mo yun yung limitasyon mo, ano yung dapat mong gawin para mawala yun? Limitasyon na yun, di ba? Mag-aral, i-research mo yung mga gusto mong i-pursue. Huwag mong hayaan na mapigilan yung mga plano mo dahil lang sa may mga bagay na hindi ka pa alam. King of Cups, this is also love and passion. And yung kung gaano kalalim yung pagmamahal mo sa mga gusto mong i-pursue sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Hanapin mo yan sa puso mo. Kasi mahahanap mo yan deep within you. Let's see what else for Aries. Money, career, finances. Cozy. Oh, you are feeling relaxed with your finances right now. Diba? That makes sense with the current energy. Your wants and needs are met, though being complacent isn't a good idea. See? Nasabi rito na hindi porket okay ngayon yung sitwasyon, magiging kampante ka na. Diba? So, I think, yung iba sa inyo, may mga plans na kayo sa future, but sometimes it makes you feel stressed or anxious. Marketing, you are good at promotions. Apply different marketing strategies to grow your business and continue to innovate to attract more sales. See? Innovation. Diba? Paano tayo makapag-innovate? Mag-aral. I-research kung ano pa yung dapat i-improve natin sa ating mga products, services, or sa ating mga actions. No? If you are working in a company. But if you have your own business, mag-isip ka ng mga marketing strategies. You have a great talent in writing and content creation. Your words are powerful to influence others that you can use to bring income. Oh, Meron ka raw talent sa writing and content creation. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring content creation ang focus ninyo. That's also a way to earn money, 'di ba? Oo, yung mga Facebook Reels ninyo dyan, sa TikTok, or any platform sa YouTube, na pwede kayong mag-generate ng income by just sharing your ideas and your talents. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.